Wasp, a type of flying insect, is a common sight during the warm summer months. They are easily recognized by their slender bodies, narrow waists, and distinctive wings. Wasp species vary, but they all share some common traits. For instance, adult wasps have 2 pairs of wings. The forewings are larger and stronger, while the hindwings are smaller and folded underneath. Wasps are social insects, living in colonies with a queen, workers, and males. The queen wasp starts the colony, lays eggs, and is the only wasp to lay fertilized eggs that can become new queens or males. Worker wasps are sterile females who take care of the colony, collecting food, building the nest, and caring for the young. They have a potent stinger to protect the colony, which they can use multiple times. Male wasps, on the other hand, have no stinger and their primary role is to mate with the new queens. After mating, the males die, and the new queens find a suitable place to hibernate during winter. Wasp nests are usually built from wood fibers mixed with saliva. They can be found in trees, bushes, or even in buildings. Some wasps, like yellow jackets, build above-ground nests, while others, like paper wasps, build intricate paper-like nests hanging from eaves or branches. Wasp stings can be painful for humans, but they are essential for controlling pests. Wasps are natural predators of caterpillars, flies, and other insects that can harm crops or gardens. They also help pollinate plants, contributing to our ecosystem. Despite their usefulness, it's important to avoid disturbing wasp nests. If you encounter one, maintain a safe distance and avoid swatting at wasps. Instead, call a pest control professional if the nest poses a threat to your safety or property. In conclusion, wasps may seem intimidating with their stingers and nests, but they play a crucial role in our ecosystem. Understanding these fascinating insects can help us appreciate their role and coexist peacefully with them.